During the winter season, the rivers flow lethargically at the same pace as almost every one of nature's elements. This period of dormancy is broken every year by the first rays of the new spring sun. From their scant beginnings, the rivers grow to fulfill the role that nature has given them within the Earth's ecosystem. The river's flowing waters carry the life that nourishes the flora and fauna living along its path. The common frog is a mountain species accustomed to living in the cold, clear waters of rivers and streams. Every year, with the same pattern, they revisit the exact same place to perform a spectacular mating ritual. Without reserve, they energetically copulate in a large communal mating group. The female is usually larger than the male and easily